elaborate attire, traditional clothing, a lot of performances to be able to bless the audience and wish for all good, positive things, good health, prosperity for the new year. So thank you for joining us today. We have a couple, are they ready? We have a couple more things in store today. Later on this afternoon, there is a banana eating contest. For those of you who are new, that is always fun to watch. Last year was pretty exciting. And then we also have a Baitrip contest. We are looking for volunteers to judge the Baitrip contest. So if you would like to be one of the judges, please come visit myself or Samfi, and we'll get you on the judges panel. Okay, all right. Well, it is a beautiful sunny day out here. Who is excited about what we have remaining? Woo! Yes! I'm so happy that we got to see all of the beautiful dancers from earlier. It's such a treat that they come and perform for us every year.
Okay, so right now,
we need 10 total judges.
but we're not going to take all 10. So 10 will register, but then it will go in the box and we'll pick 7.
Okay, so our judges panel will now be 7 total.
But we need 10 so we can shake it in the box. Yeah, they want 10. And then we're shaking the box, we only pick 7.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
And then we also need banana eaters.
Oh, that's right.
For the banana eating contest. And look, this year's banana is really plump. And it's got a lot of potassium. So, knock it off. So basically, just line up right here, whether you want to be the judges or in the banana eating contest. We're still looking for folks. So yeah, if you're interested, just right there in front of Pooh Robert.
All right. Oh yeah. We got a little one over here. I'm really excited to sign up. How many bananas did they eat before? What was the winner last year? Do you remember?
There was like 7 or something.
That's a lot of bananas.
That is a lot of banana.
All right, so we are really excited for the contest later on, but at this time, we are going to move into the next performance. So gather around, everyone. We have another performance scheduled here. This one is a really fun dance, and I'll let Samfi introduce them.
It is called Gold Montua, Dwarf Chicken Dance. It is a Khmer nursery rhyme. It describes how the dwarf chicken, characteristics of its beautiful wings, nice body, and fluffy tail. So, a nice nursery rhyme for you guys.
It's a little bit more fun in the dance, so please enjoy, everyone.
phi luống nắng cài măng có lo xa có lo những ngày có gió nó đen luôn. Con món xưa còn tới đi món xoài dòng lên phi luống nắng cài măng có lo xa có lo những ngày có gió nó đen luôn.
Okay, thank you to the Cambodian Classical Dance of Northwest. How is everyone feeling? Oh, come on, I cannot hear you at all. How's everyone doing today? It's nice and sunny out. For those of you who have been here in the previous years, it's cold. Sometimes it's raining. We're out here still. So we are so lucky today for the sun to be out all day. So right now we are going to make a little bit of a shift and have a more modern dance by Versus Dance Group. And I want to welcome the beautiful ladies out here. Please give them a round of applause.
All right. I don't want to be rude.
Speak first.
Sorry, but I don't want to be rude.
No, I know, but she will listen to you more than she'll listen to her own mother. So if you say something, she'll actually listen.
Grandmother, mother, whoa. So don't make fun of my kid. Y'all fam stand tall now. So don't tell tell my kid. Hey! You can call me silly, but I'm not your Barbie doll. Yeah, honey, honey, hot. Touching, I don't wait to pass away. Black on black, I'll pass away. A to the UD, oh that's me, Lord have mercy. No queen, but an atlas in me. I'm glad when I'm built like an OG. Definitely play for the bag. This is no fit for the mag. Animal wolf in a pack. Wolf in a tag. Woke up looking like this. Don't get out of my skin. Woke up looking like this. Woke up looking like this. Don't get out of my skin. Woke up looking like this.
Oh, thank you to Versus Dancing Group. So I love that this year we have definitely hip hop, my hip hop. They are rising superstars. So if you want to get connected with them, look them up on social media. It is the Versus Dancing Group. How's everyone feeling? Are you excited for what we have next? Yes, I'm excited too. So this next bit is actually really exciting for me because I get to see the different attire throughout the years and all of the generations of Khmer traditional clothing. So this is really a treat because it is a lot of clothing that you would not see anywhere today. So thank you so much to bring in All right, give him a round of applause.
ចាសូមជម្រាបសួរបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះគឺជាថ្ងៃដ៏អស្ចារ្យសម្រាប់ប្រជាជនកម្ពុជាយើងដែលរស់នៅលើទឹកដី Seattle King County Washington ជាបន្តទៅនេះគឺក្រុមស្ត្រីខ្មែរបង្ហាញនៅសម្លៀកបំពាក់ប្រចាំសម័យនីមួយៗប្រចាំប្រទេសកម្ពុជារបស់យើងចាជាលើកដំបូងយើងសូមអញ្ជើញសម័យPhonon សម័យ Phonon សូមអញ្ជើញបវរកញ្ញាចេញមកបង្ហាញទស្សនិកជនដូចតទៅចាសូមទាំងដៃអបអរសាទរ
We are going to bring out all of the beautiful models that will model all of the clothing, and we'll give you a little bit of description for each. The first one, throughout the fashion show, it's going to show you the evolution of Khmer clothing. The first one is from year 1 to 800, and our models are Savong Lam,
Savong Lam and Kalia de la Paz. Yeah. ចាគឺចាប់តាំងពីឆ្នាំ1802ទៅទល់នឹងឆ្នាំ1431ចាដែលមានយុវបរិសសម័យនគរភ្នំដែលនឹងចេញមកបង្ហាញទស្សនិកជនដូចតទៅចា
This fashion started from year 800 to 1431. Can we imagine living in the Empire era? How beautifully dressed they are. How much time it probably took to get ready to go anywhere.
ចាសូមជម្រាបបងប្អូនថាវប្បធម៌របស់ខ្មែរយើងគឺមានសម្រស់អស្ចារ្យគ្មានអ្វីប្រៀបផ្ទឹមបានទេបន្ទាប់ទៅនេះគឺជាសម័យចតុមុខគឺជាសម័យមួយដែលមានសម្លៀកបំពាក់កាន់តែជឿនលឿនបន្តិចហើយគឺនារីចងក្បិនហើយកាន់ទ្រគឺជាប្រពៃណីជាតិរបស់យើងចាសម័យចតុមុខគឺមានចាប់តាំងពីឆ្នាំ1432ទៅទល់នឹងឆ្នាំ1525ចាសូមអញ្ជើញបវរកញ្ញាបង្ហាញទស្សនិកជនដូចតទៅ
The next era is the Chatamuk area, and this fashion started from 1432 to 1525.
សម័យលង្វែកគឺជាសម័យមួយដែលបងប្អូនស្ត្រីខ្មែររបស់យើងស្លៀកសំពត់ចងក្បិនពាក់អាវបំពង់វែងគឺជាប្រពៃណីជាតិរបស់យើងដែលមិនអាចបំភ្លេចបានសូមអញ្ជើញបវរកញ្ញាដែលមានសម្លៀកបំពាក់សម័យលង្វែកសូមអញ្ជើញមកបង្ហាញទស្សនិកជនដូចតទៅ
The next era is the Longwake era. This fashion started from 1526 to 1603. And the models are Sokan Sun and Sophia Chong.
ពីសម័យមួយទៅសម័យមួយរបស់ប្រជាជនកម្ពុជារបស់យើងសម្លៀកបំពាក់របស់ស្ត្រីខ្មែរកាន់តែមានការរីកចម្រើនជាបន្ទាប់ទៅនេះគឺមានបវរកញ្ញានៅសម័យឧត្តមដែលមានចាប់កំណើតតាំងពីឆ្នាំ1620ទៅទល់នឹងឆ្នាំ1862សូមអញ្ជើញបវរកញ្ញាដ៏ស្រស់ស្អាតសម័យឧត្តមបញ្ចេញមហិទ្ធិឫទ្ធិបង្ហាញទស្សនិកជនឆ្នាំ2025របស់យើងដូចតទៅ
The next era is the Odong era. This fashion started from 1620 to 1862, and our beautiful models are Charm, Silk, and Mary Tim. Beautiful ladies.
ចាសប្បាយទេបងប្អូនចាឆ្នាំទី2025របស់យើងគឺមានបវរកញ្ញាច្រើនណាស់ចាជាបន្ទាប់នេះបងប្អូនប្រជាជនខ្មែរបានស្គាល់ហើយថាប្រទេសកម្ពុជាយើងមានអាណានិគមនិយមបារាំងដូច្នេះស្ត្រីរបស់យើងក៏មានសម្លៀកបំពាក់ចំនួនសម័យអាណានិគមនិយមបារាំងដែលមានចាប់តាំងពីឆ្នាំ1863ទៅទល់នឹងឆ្នាំ1953សូមអញ្ជើញបវរកញ្ញាសម័យអាណានិគមនិយមបារាំងមកបង្ហាញទស្សនិកជនដូចតទៅ
This is the next French colonial era, and this fashion started from 1863 to
1950ចាសម័យអាណានិគមនិយមបារាំងបានធ្វើដំណើរចាក់ចេញទៅហើយឥឡូវមកដល់សម័យសង្គមរាស្ត្រនិយមដែលមានកំណើតចាប់តាំងពីឆ្នាំ1954ទៅទល់នឹងឆ្នាំ1974សូមអញ្ជើញបវរកញ្ញាមកបង្ហាញសម្លៀកបំពាក់ដែលបវរកញ្ញាពេញចិត្តនៅក្នុងឆ្នាំ2025នេះចាសូមតែដៃមួយដើម្បីចាអបអរសាទរចា
So after the next French colonial era is the new administration of Prince Sihanouk. So this fashion started from 1954 to សម័យរដ្ឋកម្ពុជានឹងឈានយើងមកដល់បន្តិចម្ដងសម័យរដ្ឋកម្ពុជាគឺចាប់ផ្ដើមឡើងពីឆ្នាំ1989ទៅទល់នឹងឆ្នាំ1990សូមអញ្ជើញបវរកញ្ញាសម័យរដ្ឋកម្ពុជា And this is now the State of Cambodia era. This fashion started from 1980 to 1990. the Khmer traditional clothing.
ចាបងប្អូនបានឃើញហើយសម្លៀកបំពាក់របស់ស្ត្រីខ្មែររបស់យើងមានរូបរាងប្លែកមិនមានប្រទេសណាប្រៀបផ្ទឹមពុំបានឡើយបន្ទាប់ទៅនេះគឺមានសម្លៀកបំពាក់របស់ស្ត្រីខ្មែរនៅសម័យព្រះរាជាណាចក្រកម្ពុជាដែលនឹងចាប់ផ្ដើមឡើងពីឆ្នាំ1990ទៅទល់នឹងឆ្នាំ2000សូមបងប្អូនអបអរសាទរ
This is the Kingdom of Cambodia era and the fashion started from the 1990s to the 2000s.សូមជម្រាបបងប្អូនដែលមានវ័យក្មេងហើយនិងបងប្អូនដែលមិនទាន់បានស្គាល់ពីទំនៀមទម្លាប់របស់ប្រពៃណីជាតិយើងសម្លៀកបំពាក់ចុងក្រោយរបស់យើងហើយក៏ជាប្រពៃណីរបស់យើងជារៀងរាល់ពេលបុណ្យទានប្រពៃណីជាតិគឺសម្លៀកបំពាក់របស់ស្ត្រីខ្មែរគឺមានសភាពរំទុំនិងស្រស់ថ្លាជាទីបំផុតសម្លៀកបំពាក់នេះគឺមានចាប់ផ្ដើមពីឆ្នាំ2001រហូតដល់បច្ចុប្បន្នឆ្នាំ2025សូមទស្សនិកជនអបអរសាទរស្ត្រីខ្មែរដ៏ស្រស់ថ្លាដែលមានសម្លៀកបំពាក់សង្គមដូចតទៅចា And this is the traditional attire for the present day. It is what a lot of the ladies wear to the temple. The white lace shirt with sash and a traditional skirt to the temple carried a green tray.
បកញ្ញាទាំងអស់សូមបបកញ្ញាដែលចុងក្រោយបងអស់ដែលទឹកនឹងជ័យមកបង្ហាញទស្សនិកជនដើម្បីឲ្យបានឃើញទាំងអស់គ្នាចា៎ ចាសូមអបអរតាសូសាទរទាំងដៃយ៉ាងអស្ចារ្យមួយចាសូមចាអរគុណចាចាជាបន្តទៅនេះសូមឲ្យបវរកញ្ញាទាំងអស់ចាបញ្ចេញនៅចាសម្រាប់ដ៏ស្រស់ស្អាតទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយនឹងថតចាថតរូបអនុស្សាវរីយ៍ចាឈប់ចាសូមអញ្ជើញមកថតរូបទាំងអស់គ្នាជាអនុស្សាវរីយ៍នៅឆ្នាំ2025យើងនេះចា
Feel free to get your cameras out and take photos as all of our models make it to the front of the stage. Here's your chance to take a photo of all of the outfits throughout the sky eras and the evolution of Khmer clothing.